So over here you can see that I got an audio in timeline. So let's say what I want to do is I want to add in keyframe to this audio right here and control its volume. So to do that, over here, if I were to click on it, you can see that add and remove keyframe is an option right here. If I were to go around and click, then a keyframe is added in. So let me just go around and play this. And let's say I want it to gradually lower the volume. In that case, I can add in another keyframe right here and lower the volume just like this. So now this is the effect. So that is what you have. So I'm going to go around over here and add in a keyframe right here and bring this up again just like this. So you can go around over here and then add and decrease the keyframes as you like. So let's just go around onto the beginning. So that is how what happens is that the volume of the audio is controlled. So that is how you can work around with audio keyframes inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.